like don't think that I have failed in one interview and I don't have the skill, because I myself have applied in almost like 200 plus interviews, out of which I just used to get call from like minimum I would have got call from 20 to 25 interviews. So rest of 175 I don't know the status of that, right? So people who are thinking that I have applied, I'm not getting called, if literally everyone is on the same path. In case if you any of the student who is going to give interviews with Amazon, Facebook, Google, or any bank based companies, they'll definitely experience a whole new level of interview experience, right? And the companies like TCS, Deloitte, they have a different set of interview experiences. So what I would highly recommend is anyone who is going to give interviews with Facebook, please ensure that you have good amount of knowledge in data structures, algorithm, system design, and also don't think that I have failed in one interview and I don't have the skill, because I myself have applied in almost like 200 plus interviews, out of which I just used to get called from like minimum I would have got call from 20 to 25 interviews. So rest of 175 I don't know the status of that, right? So people who are thinking that I have applied, I'm not getting called, literally everyone is on the same path right now. There are so many candidates who are applying. Maybe you might have the skill, the recruiter would have got some other candidate for that particular skill or something, right? So what I usually see, like what I usually get a question from candidate is, I am applying to a company but I'm not getting a call. How did you get a call? So basically it requires a lot of perseverance and it requires a lot of dedication for getting a call, right? So just because you are good at your technical skills, please don't underestimate that I am good at everything, now I will just sit at my home and now automatically everything automatically I'll start getting calls from the recruiter. It doesn't make any sense, right? For example, if you are suffering with fever, until and unless you go and tell the doctor that I'm suffering from fever, he might not know it, right? The same thing is with recruiter also. Until and unless you go and tell the recruiter that, hey, you know what, you have this role opening in your company, and I think that I have this skills available with me, why don't you give me a try, and maybe I will be a valuable asset to your organization. So I know that it gets a bit annoying that you don't get a call from recruiter, but it requires a lot of perseverance. And the problem right now is not like when I started applying, the competition was huge, but not that huge. Now what is happening is, now since these platforms have come up, we are having this conversation. There is so many platforms like YouTube, LeetCode, Geeks for Geeks. Now what is happening is every student have started realizing the importance of these subjects, and now everybody is going in the same direction. And the implications of this is the competition has increased more, right? So when I applied, many people were still not aware of it, so my competition was not less, but it had some competition. But now that everybody know कि करना क्या है लाइफ में, कैसे इंटरव्यूज को क्रैक करना है, तो ऑब्वियसली कंपटीशन तो बढ़ रहा है, राइट? So you need to have a lot of perseverance, you need to keep applying, and that's how it is, right? And I also want to communicate through this channel or this video that don't ever underestimate yourself, that you are if you are from tier 3 college or if you are from tier 1 college, please don't compare yourself with tier 1, tier 3. I have seen so many people who are from tier 1 college working in TCS, and there are so many tier 3 college students working with Amazon, and the vice versa also. Okay, and I also want to anyone who is from tier 1 college who is going to watch this video in future, we have we have a lot of respect for you people, right? Because I always have this thing in mind that jab in 10th standard and 12th standard, when we were relaxing our life, you guys were preparing for JEE exams, you were working day and night, for cracking that those important subjects, and then you got seat in IIT. And those time I was sleeping, I was watching this Kapil Sharma show and all kinds of videos, random videos. But after you got out of college, you got into Amazon and those stuffs, we were kind of late and we had to struggle it later. तो struggle दोनों ने किया है, बस timing का थोड़ा आगे पीछे बस.
Yeah, ये I think Roshan, this is a very good point that you have put forward. And एक बात तो क्या है ना, if you see, I think this is more prevalent in India कि IITs, IIMs एक बहुत अलग hype बना रखी है. Yes, obviously you said it really correctly कि these are the guys who worked really hard in their initial days, 10th में, 12th में, and they got a very good start initially. But what we have to understand, and all the students or professionals watching it, वो hard work करना जरूरी है. 10th 12th में कर लिया तो पहले लाइफ थोड़ा सेट हो गई, they got a good start. किसी को बाद में रियलाइज होता है, ठीक है कॉलेज में you don't realize लाइफ चल रही है. Most of the people actually get into engineering by default, don't even want to do it, लेकिन बाद में they start liking it. And for example, like it happened in your case, then you realized, okay, now somebody is making into Facebook or Flipkart, I also have to do. And then you started that process of studying data structures and everything, and then you made it into Amazon. And this is the message actually that we want to send out, that concentrate on the learning part first. For example, Roshan, I'll tell you one thing that has happened now is, and your views on it, a lot of people are into doing a lot of courses, Coursera, or there are thousands of platforms, and these are very good courses. The only bad part is they are more concentrated on doing the course and applying it on their and uploading it on their LinkedIn website, not concentrating on the part that whether they have actually learned from it and actually coded it or applied it somewhere.
Absolutely, yes, that's really important. It's not about the certification that you are holding, it's about the skill that you have learned during that particular course that you have attended. That's really important, Gaurav.
Yeah, so and there are, for example, Roshan, one more thing that was coming to my mind was, and when I had an interview where I took an interview of Shashank Mishra, that you'll see in a couple of days, it will come out, that a lot of students are, and he made a point that they're into competitive programming. So you learn the basics first, you learning data structures, algorithm, it takes a lot of time to get actually into the details and basics, and those basics will actually help you when you'll go to Amazon, because cracking something like Amazon or Deloitte wouldn't take one day कि एक वीडियो देख लिया, वो YouTube पे आते हैं ना, how to crack Amazon in 10 days, 20 days. It takes a lot of rigorous effort. Yeah.
Correct. Yes, Gaurav. I really back you on that. It requires a lot of efforts, and anyone who doesn't have any idea on data structures and algorithms, it will definitely take them minimum of 3 months to get a very good grasp of it. And now that the competition have increased drastically, if you make even small mistake, there are so many other candidates who are going to just leave you behind, and they will crack better than you. So I just want to clearly communicate to the students that whatever problem that you are trying to solve, don't jump to the next problem until and unless you have understood the solution clearly. Don't try to, it's not a theoretical subject कि आप उसको रट्टा मार लिए और यही question as it is interview में पूछेगा, ऐसा नहीं होता है. You will have to learn the concept that was applied for solving that particular problem. So that is really important.
Yeah, and this is the point that I also would like to stress on. ऐसा नहीं है कि if I'm interviewing, I'm asking Roshan कि okay Roshan, these were the questions you were asked in interview. ठीक है, अब लोगों को पता लग गया है, तो they are also going to prepare the same questions और उनका भी हो जाएगा. That is not how it is actually going to work. Amazon, people at Amazon or people at very good companies, they have a lot of brain, they understand how it all works. So the main thing you have to concentrate on is learning the fundamentals first. So even if you do not solve the problem in one go, sometimes it happens that they really like your approach. So I think one thing that, Roshan, that people can take away from this interview was, and which I really liked about you also, that it's okay, you did not realize it initially, but when you realized it, you did a very good systematic planning, the way you utilize the time from 6 to 9. क्योंकि लोगों का एक मतलब बहाना क्या होता है यार, ऑफिस में कहाँ टाइम मिलता है, इतना काम रहता है, बट यू वर्कड एक्चुअली. और अगर किसी को टाइम निकालना होगा तो दे कैन एक्चुअली फाइंड आउट, क्योंकि एक बार बस हो गया, you reach that level, then it is, you get paid for the value you create and not the number of hours you work, right?
Correct, Gaurav. Yeah. So again, Gaurav, frankly speaking, till today, right? I mean, if you were to conduct this interview at 9 a.m. today, I would have rejected it. Reason is मैं खुद 10 बजे उठता हूँ. तो अगर आप देखो, now I am 25 year old, ठीक है. तो ओनली वो जो 3 महीना था ना, जो 3 महीना जिसका मैं बात कर रहा था, ड्यूरिंग दैट प्रिपरेशन, इट वाज ओनली ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम आई वेक्ड अप एट 6 a.m. थ्रू आउट माई लाइफ आई हैव नेवर वोक अप एट 6 a.m. क्योंकि then you can understand कितना difficult होगा. Like I know there are so many people who like to work at night but wake up late at morning. So I am more of that kind of person. आप मेरे को बोल दो रोशन, ये इंटरव्यू जो अभी हम लोग कर रहे हैं, ये रात को हम लोग 2 बजे करेंगे, I would be like, क्या गौरव, let's do it. But अगर आप बोल दोगे रोशन let's do at 9 o'clock, I would be like, no गौरव, कुछ कभी और करते हैं. So all I want to tell you that कि अगर आप डिसाइड कर लिए हो कि हमको करना है, तो इस दुनिया में anyone who is a human being in this planet, everyone had exactly 24 hours in their life, and जो भी उनको करना था उस 24 घंटे में ही किया है उन लोगों ने. उनको भगवान ने एडिशनल टाइम नहीं दिया. So if you have decided that you want to get packages like 40 lakhs, 45 lakhs, then you need to do it यार. और कोई तो अब मतलब there's no other way.
फिर वो उतनी लाख का हार्ड वर्क भी करना पड़ेगा ऐसा.
हाँ, उतना अब करना तो पड़ेगा. यहाँ वो तो एक बार बस वो 3 महीने के एफर्ट से अगर आप if you already have a good grasp, then that 3 months can be reduced to 2 months. But you need to do hard work यार. Without hard work, if you think that कि हाँ बाकी सब लोग को मिल गया तो मेरे को भी आसानी से मिल जाएगा, actually that doesn't happen until and unless you are quite talented. So,
yeah. And one thing, Roshan, is that if when you study so much, when you have let's say for 3 months, and in the morning you studied for 3 hours, then on weekends you studied, you get so much grasp on the concept, on the understanding. Correct. That when you actually go into Amazon and start working, you will actually start liking that job. And even if let's say Amazon gives you a direct entry, okay, come, no interview, start working, you will not understand anything actually. So they are actually in a way preparing you to take up this job, because that is the level of understanding people actually need. And when you know more about things, right? Normally kya hota hai when you let's say working in a company and you're struggling, it's because you don't have knowledge about the process. Fir isse pucho, usse pucho. I have seen people who are working in companies and they do not know how to use Excel properly, Microsoft Excel, and then they actually learn it on the go. और तब चीजें बहुत difficult होनी शुरू हो जाती हैं. So one, the message that we want to send out is that in whatever, let's say, path of career you are, whether you are a second or third year student, you are just starting, whether you are a professional who has done 4 to 5 years of work, or let's say even more than that, decide that now is the time I want to work hard, be very, very systematic, like for example Roshan did, and then anybody can crack it. Because ऐसा तो नहीं है कि अगर बहुत इतना ही hard होता तो लोग ऐसा तो नहीं है कि Amazon में engineers होते नहीं है. People do get selected into good companies.
Exactly, yeah.
It is just that know what is required. And now, for example, Roshan, you mentioned that obviously the competition has increased, but the good thing is that the resources have also come up. पहले, for example, ये सब access नहीं था कि कोई आके YouTube पे share कर रहा है journey, या कोई एक article या blog लिख रहा है. You would never know कि actually हो क्या रहा है. Even if you take that example, right? For example, for IAS preparation, पहले एक था कि you have to actually go to Delhi, और दिल्ली में कुछ specific area है, वहाँ जाके classroom coaching ही लेनी है. Unacademy came, it just changed the game. Now you can sit at your home, you can actually be a working professional and you can prepare from home. So ये एक advantage भी आ गया है technology के साथ. So I think these are things if people can learn from, really they'll benefit out of it. Anything else, Roshan, you have to share?
Yes, Gaurav. I mean, I also want to tell people that like I have seen so many people that कि उनको life में कुछ और करना होता है, but when they start seeing the LinkedIn posts and all and Facebook posts and all, they see that कि somebody got job in Facebook, somebody got job in Amazon, कोई Deloitte में है, कोई TCS में on-site में चला गया है. So I just want people that कि ऐसा नहीं है कि life यहीं पे खत्म हो गया है. Like if you see people like Elon Musk, they were again an entrepreneurs, right? So you can also start something of your own, and if you have a different मतलब different direction, किसी को cricket में ज़्यादा interest है, किसी को movies में ज़्यादा interest है, So try to convince your parents, try to give it a shot. At least आपको लाइफ में ये तो नहीं रहेगा ना कि मैंने एक बार ट्राई भी नहीं किया यार, एक ट्राई तो करके देख लेता. And then you are sitting in your company right before, right in front of your laptop and watching a player hitting centuries where you would have been there. आप वहाँ पे सेंचुरी मार रहे होते. तो ऐसा भी नहीं है. तो आप जो लोग ये सब पोस्ट देख के ज्यादा वो मत होइएगा कि हाँ इनका अमेज़न में हो गया, इनका वहाँ हो गया. As I already told you, and I think this particular statement is like I took this from a movie called तारे ज़मीन पर. हर एक बच्चे में, हर एक इंडिविजुअल में काबिलियत होता है. उनको उसी में आप छोड़ दो. Like let them play on their strength. Let's not force them or let's not tell them that कि हाँ आपको यही करना है. There is when the problem starts. Okay.
Exactly.
Take that as a motivation. आप ये देख सकते हो कि हाँ लोग ये भी कर रहे हैं, लोग वो भी कर रहे हैं. You can take that as motivation. But ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर आपसे नहीं हो रहा है तो आपका लाइफ खत्म है. It is not going to work like that. Even after 40 years, if you start something new, it's still going to work. Don't worry if you are late, but ensure that you are not that late that कि आप पूरे लाइफ में आपने कुछ नहीं किया. ऐसा भी नहीं होना चाहिए.
Exactly.
Okay, so if you are watching this video, if you are a student who is watching this video as like 18-year-old, you are good. You can start your journey now. And if someone is watching this video who is 40-year-old, don't worry, you are not late. सब लोग को हर एक टाइम में एक opportunity मिलता है, and you need to just utilize that. So
exactly.
And Gaurav, one last thing, that key students and whoever is preparing, right, don't think that you are alone in this journey or something. Like everyone who have come into Amazon, they have all been through the same path. कि अगर आपको प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व नहीं कर पा रहे हो या अगर आपको बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स हो रही है, डोंट थिंक दैट कि देखो हो रही है, कि ऐसा नहीं है. हम लाइक एवरीवन इंक्लूडिंग मी, यू, एवरीवन हैव गॉन थ्रू द सेम पाथ. हमें भी प्रॉब्लम हुआ था, हम लोग को भी बहुत इरिटेशन हुआ था, हम लोग के टाइम में भी खाना ठीक से नहीं मिला था. एवरीबडी हैव गॉन थ्रू दैट स्ट्रगल. सो डोंट थिंक दैट यू आर अलोन इन दिस जर्नी. सो या,
I think Roshan, you have made this a very good point that and one more thing, that it is yes, we are doing this interview that how you cracked and got into Amazon, but people need to understand, for you to actually do that amount of hard work and sustain it is because maybe you liked some part of it. लेकिन लोग क्या करते हैं, आज रोशन का इंटरव्यू देखा, अच्छा उसका अमेज़न में हो गया, चलो आज कोडिंग करना शुरू करता हूँ. कल देखा, अरे कोई आईपीएल में सेलेक्ट हो गया, लेट्स स्टार्ट प्रैक्टिसिंग फॉर क्रिकेट. सो कॉन्सेंट्रेट ऑन वन थिंग दैट यू थिंक यू आर गुड एट. और कभी कभी क्या होता है, वो चीज व्हाट वी आर गुड एट एक बार में नहीं मिलेगी. यू ट्राई योर हैंड एट डिफरेंट थिंग्स, बट कीप ऑन ट्राइंग. ऐसा ना हो कि काफी टाइम निकल जाए एंड देन एज यू सेड यू रियलाइज, अरे यार ये टीवी पे शायद मैं भी हो सकता था. So regret से I think बुरा और कुछ भी नहीं है. So that is one thing, whoever is listening to that, we want to send out this message, that try to identify what was your potential. There were people like, let's say, I give example of this, like Bhuvan Bam, let's say example, and I'll say I'm personally a very big fan of him. He created something out of nowhere, the BBK wine concept. He believed in that idea. In 5 years, he's a superstar now. Brands actually contact him. He has also done a video with Shah Rukh Khan and all that, because he believed in what he was doing. So hard work is required in every field, whether it's becoming a very good engineer, a very good cricketer, a very good, let's say, YouTuber or a superstar. So that is, people need to understand. And now it doesn't matter what college, what background you come from, there are a lot of opportunities available. Correct. So with this note, Roshan, I would say thank you so much. If you want, yes, obviously, if you want to add something.
No. I think I am good, Gaurav. I think we have already been like 90 minutes late for this thing. I think we had a 1 hour, and people who might be watching this might get bored also. So
yeah, so we'll make sure we actually divide this into parts, so that because right now that attention span has also gone down, right? They want everything as a quick.
Okay.
But one thing that we want to send out is, and why we want to do this detailed interview is not just because theek hai, if you draw the conclusion, it would be do data structures really well, do concentrate on algorithm, do all those parts, your leadership skills, and you will be set. But why we do cover the whole journey is because so that you understand the individual. He also came from a normal college. He also had problems like you. ऐसे कोई genius नहीं होता पैदा होते ही. Like, and
Correct.
then once you realized, and then you started working hard, so that people understand this. And we will obviously publish this whole interview on our channel, and whenever it happens, I will obviously let you know, because now a lot
Absolutely.
of editing part will also go on. But I would say, Roshan,
Yeah.
thank you very much. In fact, while listening to you, I learned a lot of things, that nothing actually comes easy. How you prepared from 6 to 9, that was the part which was really, really amazing. Because I have seen my friends, they say यार job में time नहीं मिलता, फिर जो weekend आता है वो सोने में निकल जाता है. But then you have to understand कि या तो अभी सो लो और बाद में मजे, क्या कहते हैं, रिग्रेट करना, या अभी हार्ड वर्क कर लो और फिर बाद में मजे आते रहेंगे. So with this note, I would like to say thank you so much for coming here and sharing all your experiences, and definitely people watching it will learn a lot from it, not only from engineering background, but from, let's say, MBA or any other background who are thinking of making it into big companies. Yeah. So I'll just
Gaurav,
go ahead.
Yeah, Gaurav, one last thing that I really want to thank you, and I don't know if you are having a team who is working,
I do have a team
and other editing. Okay, so whoever is going to edit this team, I really want to thank you people, because it's because of you people you have created a platform where people who are in need of such kind of videos and people who are ready to give such kind of videos, you are kind of connecting both of them. And whoever does this connection, they are next to God, because if this interaction never took place, or if this video is never gone to the people who need it, then they I don't know from where they would have got the resources. So I really would want to thank you that you are taking so much efforts, and like during the weekends when people spend time with their family and they want to relax or something, you are creating the video and you are ensuring that people get it. So I don't know what to tell to you right now. In fact, I'm running out of words, but you guys are doing a terrific job, and whoever is going to edit this video or whoever is going to make any modifications on this video, I would really like to thank them also.
Thank you so much, Roshan. I think if you wouldn't have been there, it wouldn't have been possible. And also to the people who would be coming on to this interview and learning from it, I think, Roshan, there are a lot of problems, as we say. College nahi hai, resources nahi hai. What we are solving is one part of it. Chalo, ek platform hai, technology hai. I am somebody who's good at, let's say, talking with someone. Obviously, there is team one who will edit it, then it will go on social media. So let us come together, and this is something that an attitude which we have tried to build. Let's become problem solvers, right? This is a real life problem that we thought, and we are that trying to solve. But thank you once again for coming. All right, with this, Roshan, we'll end this interview now. I think it has a really long interview, but that's okay. I think that's the average length that it goes to, right?